Next Wave CNC's Shark Wizard. CNC made easy. Step 6. Setting your Z 0. Option 1. The paper method. With the bits securely locked in the router collet and the XY properly positioned above your start point, press the Z minus key down until the tip of the bit barely touches the paper. You should still be able to slide the paper back and forth, but you should also feel a slight drag on it. If your paper doesn't move at all because it's too tight, press the Z plus arrow up slightly. You may need to go back and forth between the Z minus and the Z plus a few times until you get it set correctly. Once you have it set, press 0 Z button. Now confirm the change to 0.00. Step 6, Option 2, the touch plate method. With the bits securely locked in the router collet and the XY settings properly positioned above your start point, attach the magnet probe to the bit or directly onto the router collet. Next, place the touch plate directly under the bit. Press the touch plate application. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm the connection. The bit will automatically lower, sensing the plate, and then immediately rise to a safe height. Confirm to change Z setting to the suggested safe height. Now be sure to remove the plate and the magnet. You are now ready to continue to the next step.